Today is 17th of February and we are in a small paradise greenhouse, and we have here a Niagara Fun Market with 61 vendors, and this is our table. But actually I'll tell you the story. I was sure they provided the table, but actually they don't. And when we came, I came without table. Even if I put table in my car all the time, this time I didn't put it. I have 2 tables. So when we came, we were in shock. And then what we done, the owners of this organizers help us to put like this, and then show it from the front. It's actually very presentable, nothing wrong. So this is our spot. Looking great, looking great. A little paradise. So this is a beautiful area and a huge greenhouse. So we have here 61 vendors, and we are in this room, and the market will be open at 10 a.m. and it's 9:30. But still the customers are coming to get some fresh baking stuff and vegetables and fruits. And there's a lot of fridges. We're gonna buy some stuff for our, like some food later. And here we have a field of herb bearers. And I must tell you, the smell here is amazing. The smell is just amazing. We have more vendors. I don't know if I have time to go around later, but it's just a wonderful place. Even this greenery, it makes some kind of celebration. We had shuttle buses coming from the parking lot when we left our car. Yeah, let's look at this beauty. Yeah. We have gems and then more stuff here. And this is a food court. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. I'm already hungry. I'm already hungry. So this, as you can see, a huge place, a very huge place, and the Washington, and it's
Finally found something.
There's so many different varieties of like, you know, people are selling. I think it's the biggest event I've ever been to. And for children. And it's warm here. In spite of cold weather and snowing outside, it's very warm. Look at this pasta. Wow, and sauces. The prices are very good. Coffee. And here we have more. Oh my goodness, yeah, I need garlic actually. I'm gonna buy garlic. And this box is amazing. It's like box with all the sauces. And here we have $30 small mystery box. I think they're very good amount of. This is amazing. And more here. And we have so many things in the fridges, like different pies, pizzas, apples, ciders, eggs. Definitely I'll be going with the full bags of goodies. And as you can see, so many different types of blenders and stuff they're making. This is ceramic, and his crochet, and here's other stuff. So the customers start coming very soon, and I hope we'll make money here. I would like to make money in this beautiful, beautiful greenhouse. And very warm. The sun is shining, and it's really warm here.